Hello everyone and welcome to Satin Flower Making by Janet's Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 2, how to make Forget Me Not Flowers, FMN Forget Me Not Flowers. So this is the flower shape for FMN flower, Forget Me Not flower. So if you see here, um, yeah, the difference between these 2 points is 3.5 centimeters. It is all over. This is also 3.5, this is also 3.5, and this is also 3.5. So and then what you do is accordingly you make a circle and then make these shapes like this. Yeah, okay. This is a light thin cardboard paper. Yeah, not the thick one. This is a thin cardboard paper which you get in the stationery shop. On that you draw this shape. This is the distance between these 2 points is 3.5 centimeter and like this. So once this is done, we have to cut this. Yeah, now cut the shape. It's like cutting should be fine. Yeah, I have cut the shape. It looks like this, the heart shape. And these big lines, keep it as it is. I'll tell you once we draw this shape on the satin cloth. I'll tell you why these lines are for. These lines, if you see. So first cut the shape like this. Yeah, this is a shape for FMN flower, Forget Me Not flower. Yeah. So now we will see the materials required to make a FMN flower, Forget Me Not flower. We need a starched satin cloth, a shape. This is the flower shape which we have already made. A pair of scissors, a plier, floral green tape, a pearl. This is a half pearl I have. A half pearl. One flower making wire, a pencil to draw the shape, glue gun, and the very important one is soldering machine. This is soldering machine. Yeah. So now we will see how to make the flower. Yeah. So I have the shape and I'm going to yeah, this shape we have drawn for FMN, and I'm going to draw same on my satin cloth. I'll draw it somewhere here. Yeah. Now if you see in the flower, I have some cuts here, like lines here, like this. Now I have to draw these lines towards the center. Yeah, like this. So this is done. Now I'm going to cut this shape. Yeah, now I'm going to cut the shape. cutting should be fine, should be curvy, and not square type. Let me complete this. Yeah, I am almost done. Yes, so I've cut the shape. Yeah, now what you have to do is fold this flower petal into two, like this has to match. Yeah, and give a little cut at the center, like this. Then now I have to, these lines I have made, I have to give a cut here towards my center cut, towards, not like this, not like this, towards, like pointing to the center. Yeah, see, I have done these cuts, so it looks like this. Next step is we have to do the molding. Yeah, so next step is molding the flower. So for that I need a soldering machine. This is the soldering machine which I have already kept for heating. So before you use it, you have to keep it here keep it heating for some 2 to 3 minutes. You have to hold it at the wooden side, and the steel side is very hot. Be careful and keep it away from the children's reach. It's very hot. So now this is a flower, this is the back side of the flower. Not this is a shiny side, this is the back side. On this back side, on this cuts, we are going to roll this soldering machine ball like this to the inner side. Gently, don't press it. Yeah, like this. So the cuts are bending inside, giving it a flower shape. Now back side, place it on the center and press it inside. See, it's giving me a flower shape, right? Now to make FMN, the forget me not flower, I need 2 petals. This is 1 and this is 2. Yeah, it's 1 and 2. Okay. So now what you do is take a piece of wire, maybe this much. Take the pearl. Now this pearl has a center hole here. Insert the wire through that hole and bend this. Yeah, you see this? I have inserted a wire into the pearl. Yeah. Now what you have to do is take these petals. We have a center cut. Insert the wire through this. Now comes the job of glue gun. Glue gun I have already kept for heating. Apply glue at the center. Do not spoil the flower. And place the pearl on it. Okay. Just for safety purpose, the lower petal, apply some glue. Like this. This is your FMN flower. Take the floral tape and wrap it. So your FMN is ready. Yeah. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I'm happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.